The Kheda Satyagrah was a well-organized, non-violent movement launched by farmers in Kheda district of Gujarat against the unjust land revenue policies of the British government. The movement was inspired by Mahatma Gandhi and led by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel along with several local leaders. In 1918, the crop of the Kunbi Patidar farmers of the Kheda region were completely destroyed due to severe natural calamities. The farmers clearly stated that agricultural production had fallen to less than 1/4 and according to existing rules, they were entitled to a full remission of land revenue. However, the British administration refused to accept this legitimate demand and insisted on collecting the full tax. When repeated appeals failed, Mahatma Gandhi formally announced the Kheda movement on 22 March 1918 and personally guided it. He called upon the farmers to refuse to pay land revenue while strictly adhering to the principles of truth and non-violence. During the movement, Gandhi appealed to people to join as volunteers and workers. Inspired by him, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel gave up his successful legal practice and took charge of the agitation. He travelled from village to village, organized farmers and made them sign pledges stating that they were ready to face confiscation of land rather than lose self-respect by paying unjust taxes or accepting false charges. The movement received wide media attention, highlighting the plight of farmers and the oppressive British policies at both national and international levels. Eventually, under growing pressure and public opposition, the British administration was forced to yield. They granted full remission of land revenue for that year and partial relief for the following year. This topic is highly relevant for UPSC GS Paper 1 Indian History. And now, here's a question for you. When did the Ahmedabad mill strike begin under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi? Do let me know in the comment section below.